परत गेले नेट हे कितें रे कितलं स्लो रे बफरिंग फक्त रा नेक्स्ट ओपन सुद्धा जायना तुमका रे नेट तुका रे हे चक्र उदा हा मेळ्ळो रे कितें रे फक्त ते गुवाच आसता मरे लायल्या फावटी तेजे खातीर फारीक करप कितें आमी हांव मरे एक जॅम काडटा मागीर ऑन जालो मावटे हांव व्हिडिओ कळ्ळें कितें रे चल्लां हेंचें हें मरे इंटरनेट घेतला पळय कनेक्शन हेडेक जालें मरे डोके दुखी 6000 फारीक केल्ले कळ्ळां मरे आरे आतां एक टायम जेवण नासलें उपकारता पण आमकां नेट जाय न्हू नेट नाल्यार आमी फ्लॅट मरे आतां मात खूब जालें हांव विटलो आतां मरे सारको आजून घुंवता फायनल रो म्हाका अशें सांग ऑप्शन कितें आहा बरो इंटरनेट ब्रॉडबँड सर्वीस कोणाची फास्ट आसा बरी आहा कोण कितें कितें डीएनए ब्रॉडबँड डीएनए गोवा मरे हांव पळयता डीएनए हांव घेवन पळयता कशें कितें येता तें हय मातसो नंबर धाड या इज इट डीएनए ब्रॉडबँड सर्वीस डीएनए या प्लीज कम केम सो फास्ट वेरी गुड आई एम परेश maybe you are a future customer after this conversation okay fine great and how much I have to pay you for installation this whatever
installation is free sir only you have to pay package amount
installation is free total free
yes sir
अरे वाह this is very good okay you can give me the connection I'll see and I'll choose the package sir हे बोया कितें बेस्टीक टेस्टिंग एक फाईल पोया
Let's suppose that you're writing a really important email to a
फास्ट मरे इमिजिएटली तुमचे कशा नेट बेस्ट हा क्विक फास्ट गुड सुपर क्वालिटी हा स्पीडही बरी आसा
रामेश्वर सिंह के नाम पे वारंट है गेट खोलो अंदर दे
वाह मिस्टर एंड मिसेस गोवा लाइव पावर आणि इमिजिएटली कनेक्ट झाले मरे हॅलो महेश हा महेश हांवें घेतली ती डीएनए गोवा हय ब्रॉडबँड सर्वीस डीएनए गोवा घेतली हय बेस्ट आसा हय खरेंच बेस्ट आसा हे लायव्ह स्ट्रिमींग प्रुडंट पळयता हांव कितले क्विकली रे सगळे यूट्यूब फेसबुक सगळे क्विक फास्ट सामके आनी HD क्वालिटी फर्स्ट क्लास स्पीडूय फर्स्ट क्लास आसा ना हांव खरेंच हॅप्पी आहा एकदम आनी फ्री कनेक्शन मरे प्लॅनूय इतले पावर आहा म्हणजे एका पेक्षा एक प्लॅन आहा डबल रातचे जाता आनी ना रियली लवली थँक्यू फॉर रेकमेंडिंग मी डीएनए गोवा खरेंच बेस्ट ब्रॉडबँड मेळ्ळें म्हाका थँक्यू व्हेरी मच तुका आयज रातचो पार्टी चल सुपर्ब डीएनए गोवा ऑसम इंटरनेट लवली
म्हजें नांव रघु शेट्ये आय एम वन ऑफ द पार्टनर्स इन डीएनए गोवा डीएनए गोवाची कंपनी आसा गेल्या त्या ऑक्टोबरान चालू केल्ली आमी सगळ्यांक घेवन गोंयान लोकांक बरो इंटरनेट दिवचो ह्या आमी एक इंटेन्शनान मोटिवेशनान आमी फुडें वता आनी लोकांचो प्रतिसाद आमकां बरो मेळ्ळा
म्हजें नांव दिनराज पैकोत आय एम वन ऑफ दी पार्टनर्स ऑफ डीएनए गोवा सो वेन आय वॉज फर्स्ट एक्सपोज टू दी आयडिया की हाय स्पीड इंटरनेट गोंयान हाडपाक जाय तेन्नाच माय इन्स्टिंक्टीव रिएक्शन वॉज की इट इज अ मस्ट इन गोवा बिकॉज पयलींच इंटरनेटाचें पेनिट्रेशन इन गोवा इज व्हेरी लेस त्या भायर जे ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टींग प्लेयर्स आसा आमचे सगळ्यांचे हाल आमी सगळे जाणा सो this was something which was very necessary in a state like Goa.
आमी लोकांक एज्युकेट करचे परस तांकां नॉलेजेबल करप हातून हांव चड इंट्रस्ट घेतला.
Hi, I'm Samir Sawant. I'm Technical Director of DNA Goa. The full form of DNA is Digital Network Associates Private Limited, which is our parent company. DNA Goa has tied up with content providers like Google, which provides YouTube content, we provide Amazon content, we provide Netflix content, Microsoft's content, which is important for gaming. We also provide content of Akamai, which is a very huge platform as far as media is concerned. A lot of international channels as well as national channels are available through Amazon to the subscribers. So we have got a agreement with that company as well. So whatever TV programs, whether it is national or international, you will not have any buffering, and you will get a 100% satisfaction.
Hi, myself Vivek Naik. I am the CEO for DNA Goa. The fiber of ours has been reached almost at each and nook and corner of Goa. We have 10 POPs across Goa, covering all the districts of Goa. And I was very fascinated to know about the fact that we give complete installation free for the Goan subscribers.
We are providing FTTH connection, wherein optical fiber connection is given to each and every house.
We are working on a fiber which is called a fiber to home, FTTH technology. FTTH is basically a technology which is having a minimum loss. You can assure that 98.5% it is almost kept uptime, and there is no zero buffering in the either in YouTube or basically internet that we have been providing. The bandwidth, if you are providing 2.5 Mbps, you are getting the same bandwidth at your place. That is one of the good thing about a DNA.
Up till now, whichever service providers are operational in Goa are not providing optical fiber right inside the client house. They are providing optical fiber up to the building or up to the area, but we are providing internet connection on FTTH technology, which means that the optical fiber cable enters directly into the client's house. This is the technology which is very popular in Western countries as well as in South Asian countries, where the internet penetration is very high and people consume high-speed internet. Another advantage of using FTTH technology is each and every client is accessible to our 24/7 network operations center. So whenever a connection goes down, apart from the prices are very economical, DNA does not charge us for any installation. DNA offers free connection to each and every clients. We do not charge any deposit or any installation charges, no matter whatever plan you take.
Yeah, FTTH is a fiber to the home. Fiber to the home is a technology. Whereas other network providers, I will not compare with a bit, but definitely will be better than them. So what we are giving them is FTTH technology, which is fiber to the home. आमचो असो विजन आसा की गोंयान प्रत्येक घरांनी इंटरनेट पावचो.
पणजेकार आसूं, awesome awesome, मडगांवकार आसूं, सुसेगाद. Awesome awesome, म्हापशेकार आसूं, awesome awesome, फोंडेकार आसूं, awesome awesome, पेडणेकार awesome, awesome awesome, काणकोणकार awesome, awesome awesome, बाळालकार awesome, awesome is my home. Awesome awesome, पुरोरकार awesome, awesome awesome, प्रियोळकार awesome, awesome awesome, मोडगेकार awesome, awesome is my home. Yo! Awesome आमी वास्कोचे, awesome आमी कोळगूटचे, awesome आमी दिवचलचे, awesome awesome. सुसेगाद. पणजेकार awesome, मडगांवकार awesome, म्हापशेकार awesome, फोंडेकार awesome, पेडणेकार awesome, काणकोणकार awesome, awesome is my home.
There are very few licensed ISPs in Goa, and we are one of them. People who are providing internet without IPs are going to be behind bars. So this is the biggest concern. Most of the places, if you see, the local operators are not billing any GST or tax. Previously it was a service tax, now it has been a GST. So that is a loss to the government exchequer. So my only thing is like the illegal operators has to be closed down, which is causing a huge tremendous loss to the government of Goa, and again the cyber threat is an issue. So we have plans basically catering to all the requirements. One is like home user, the second is like office use or a small company or a segment like small industry, corporates, and third one is a lease line. Normally the Goan customers are being charged from around 9 to 10,000 rupees as the installation charges, which is a huge amount. But in our case, DNA is providing free internet to all the operators for all the customers across Goa. So this is very fascinating to know that, and customers are delighted to get a free internet. So in this case, with a minimum price of around 599 plus taxes, anybody can afford to have a internet connection at their houses. The aim of DNA is to provide internet to all the houses across Goa. Our customer base has been rapidly increasing from a near 1,000 customers. Now we are going to very large number within a span of 6 months, and we hope that we would like to touch around 1 lakh customers within very short span of time.
My name is Aldrin Basilio. I own one of the biggest gym in Goa actually. My name is Basilio. DNA feedback throughout Pension, like every household talks about DNA today. Like the service is good. There's no buffering in the when you open a site, or when I met Raghu and I told Raghu like I want a connection immediately. He did the connection so fast that it was done I think in a day, and the installation was free of charge. That was the best part about it. She said, "Yeah, Papa, I am very happy." Even the younger daughter of mine also, she said, "Papa, we are very happy for DNA coming into our life. They have given me a very good package. I am happy because I have taken it for 6 months, like instead of going monthly." DNA Goa Internet, awesome.
This is Luisa Guerra. I'm director at MGM International Travels, and I reside at Donna Paula Sagar Society. Since the time I have used DNA as an internet connectivity at my residence, I've been nothing but happy. The fantastic plan they offered me of 2.5 Mbps during the day and 5 Mbps at night. Over and above that, to be able to use Netflix, YouTube, Google and Facebook at 30 Mbps. I've been enjoying movies and programs at home, using my systems, my laptops, everything just perfect. I've been recommending DNA to all my friends, and they too have come back with very positive responses. There was no installation charge, just the package plan, which was very, very economical. DNA Goa Internet is awesome.
The first one we have is unlimited plan, in which there is no limitation on the amount of download which a client can make. The second one, night double, which means that whatever speed you get during the day gets doubled during the night time. The timing is from 9:30 p.m. to 9:30 a.m. During this time, the speed will get doubled, and in the morning it will again get back to its normal speed. The third one is the FUP plan, which is a fair usage policy plan, in which we give a high speed bandwidth of 100 Mbps to each end user. "100 Mbps is limited to certain amount of data volume. If a client exceeds that volume, the speed will be dropped down to a certain level. but his plan will not get expired. He will not be without the internet connectivity before his plan validity is valid. As I told you earlier that we are operational 24/7. We have got a network operation center 24/7 in Goa as well as in Pune as well as in Mumbai. So the network of Goa has been monitored by our network operations center in Pune as well as in Mumbai. And the major advantage as far as our service is concerned, whatever downtimes our clients are facing, we keep them informed by means of SMS, and in future our clients will also be informed through our application, mobile app. Now as far as the enterprise customers are concerned, we have got a 10 gigabit per second metro Ethernet network laid across the state of Goa, which is very reliable, as it is on a ring topology and a mesh topology as well. So because of which the uptime is very high. Because of this the uptime is highest. The enterprise customers also have got an advantage of working on a cloud platform like Amazon or Microsoft without worrying about the latency part, as we are directly paired with Microsoft and Amazon. I claim that a normal home user or an end user will not have any applications which can consume 300 Mbps. So even if you are delivering 100 Mbps, it is as good as 300 Mbps what the others are offering. Test the speed with the other service providers. Speedtest.net is the popular website on which you can test the speed. So you can test our speed of 100 Mbps and see the result, how much Mbps you are getting. And if you have any client who has got 300 Mbps or 500 Mbps of speed, and if you test that, you will see what kind of difference you get.
Hi, this is Lavanya Shetye, the lead officer for KLA Hospital's Information Center in Goa. Digital Network Associates, in short DNA, has been a very good service provider and an upcoming digital network in Goa, which is getting quite popular. We at KLA Hospital's Information Center, for us, DNA has been a service provider for past 3 months. We really like the speed and connectivity that they are providing us. Not only the customer care, but also when we are using internet services, the service is quite fast. I mean, there is no buffering, there is no delay in downloads. It's perfect. It's perfect for today's world. I should say it's something that each and every Goan should give it a try. So I say you should give it a try. I think it's the fastest world happening in Goa right now. DNA Goa, internet, awesome.
सपोज एक गांवान इंटरनेट पावत जर जायत आनी एक भुरग्यान जर इंटरनेट घेतलो ताका एक रावटर म्हणून एक इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आता रावटर इट कॉस्ट 1200 रुपया कितें तरी पडटा तो रावटर जर घालीत एक घरान जर इंटरनेट आसत बाजूच्या 5 घरांनी भुरग्यांनी इंटरनेटाचो वापरून घेवंक शकता तुमकां मोबायलाचेर इंटरनेट पळोवपाची गरज ना त्या रावटरा वयल्यान एका घरान जर तुमी इंटरनेट मदीं लायलो 10 भुरगीं शिकूंक शकता सो इट वील बी अ मास एज्युकेशन सिस्टम which we have to adopt in today's technology. बाय 2000 जावं 5000 जावं आमकां 10,000 पडूं पूण आमी खंयच्याय घरांनी कोण इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जावं किंवा फॅक्टरी जावं किंवा हॉटेल किंवा कोणाचे घरां गरीब कोणीय आसूं इंस्टॉलेशन चार्जीस आमी घेना दॅट इज आवर प्रॉमीस टू द पीपल फ्री कनेक्शन इट इज डेफिनेटली फ्री कनेक्शन पर मंथ नो हिडन चार्जीस थोडे जाण म्हणटा हे आमके इतले मागीर फायबराचे इतले मागीर ओएनयूला इतले आनी कितें कनेक्शन चार्जीस सर्वीस चार्जीस people don't have to worry absolutely there is no other hidden charge other than GST that what we are paying. DNA जो मेन मदर कंपनी डिजिटल नेटवर्क असोसिएट्स बॉम्बे तांणी ऑलरेडी 1,00,000 होम युजर्स लागी पाविल्ले आसा आमी आनी 1200 लीज लँड होल्डर्स म्हणल्यार जे हॉटेलांनी किंवा इंडस्ट्रियल हातूंनी किंवा एंटरप्रायज हातून शॉपान आर्किटेक्चर हातून जे चड डावनलोड करता फायल तांकां ती लीज लँड म्हणटा ते 1:1 लीज लँड म्हणटा ताका ते आमचे कडेन 1200 कस्टमर आसा. पालघर, ठाणा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, कराड, पुणा, बॉम्बे आनी वसई विरार अशे कडेन DNAचो प्रेझेन्स आसा आनी तांचे कडेन आमी टायअप करून तांकां आमगे रिक्वेस्ट करून बाबा आमच्या गोंयांनी एक अशी सर्वीस जाय की नाजाल्यार आमी फाटीं उरतले ह्या कारण आमी DNA गोवा म्हणटा एक आमी कंपनी हांगा लॉन्च केल्ली आसा. काही जाग्यांचेर आमची सर्वीस म्हणल्यार फायबर कट करून किंवा आनी कितें तरी त्रास करून आमकां एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्सांनी प्रयत्न केलो पूण त्या गांवच्या लोकांनी त्या गांवचो सरपंच किंवा आमदार किंवा कोणी लिडर्स टिचर्स प्रिंसिपल आनी फुडें येवन सांगलें की आमकां आमच्या गांवांत किंवा आमच्या इश्कॉलांत आमकां इंटरनेट जाय आनी आमी तुमचे फुडें उबी रावता आनी आमच्या फुड्यांनी तांणी फायबर घालून तांणी पळयलें की तांचे घरा पर्यंत आमी इंटरनेट पावयलो. हांव खरेंच लोकांकूय थँकफूल अशें लोकांनी अंडरस्टँड केलें. आमचे कडेन आतां जे प्लॅन्स आसात बेजीक प्लॅन इज अ 599 प्लॅन ते 599 प्लॅन प्लस GST अशें जर करीत दॅट इज अ बेजीक प्लॅन 2.5 Mbps आतां ताजी स्पीड आसा ताजी अप टू 100 Mbps 100 Mbps स्पीड 599 अप टू 15 GB यू कॅन डावनलोड. आत्ताचे जे आमी इनिशियल जे कोणें करूंक ना दीस वील गो टू अप टू 1 TB म्हणल्यार मोर दॅन 1000 GB पर्यंत आमी डावनलोड करपाक प्रयत्न आमचे चालू आसा. सो इट इज अ व्हेरी बेजीक प्लॅन, व्हेरी लिमिटेड प्लॅन, नो हिडन कॉस्ट, नो कनेक्शन चार्जीस, नो एनी अदर चार्जीस, नो सर्वीस चार्जीस. हातून म्हाका दिसता आनी जर लोक जर यूज करूंक लागले आतां आमचे आय कॅनॉट डिस्क्लोज यू म्हणल्यार जे वर्सान आमी टार्गेट धरिल्ले आज आमकां 3 म्हयन्यांनी जाला. सो जे 5 वर्सान जे टार्गेट धरिल्ले म्हाका दिसता 1 वर्सान आमकां कंप्लीट जातलें.
सो सेल्फ लर्निंगा खातीर जे इंजिनियर्स आसूं ऑर ग्रॅज्युएट्स खंयच्याय स्ट्रिमीचे तांकां एक इंटरनेट इज लायक ऑक्सिजन टुडे. इन्स्टॉलेशन फ्री दवरून आमी वी आर एक्सपोजींग सगळ्यांक की सगळ्यांनीच हाजो लाभ घेवचो. सो DNA इज अ व्हेरी वेल एस्टाब्लिश्ड ब्रँड इन महाराष्ट्रा. मेन एम जो आशिल्लो तो घराघरांनी इंटरनेट पावोवपाचो आनी सगळ्यांनी आज स्किमीचो लाभ घेवचो म्हणून DNA गोवा because DNA Goa is a very well established brand in Mumbai. So the current infrastructure we have started full-fledged in main cities like Panjim, Mapsa, Vasco, Margaon. We have also expanded to cities, remote cities like Kankon, Sankli, Bicholi, and we have infrastructure to take this to the next level and get it to the remotest of the places. We are expanding step by step, and we will need your support also through this procedure. We have special lines for hospitals, we have special lines for institutions, tourist hotels, restaurants. So we are covering entire community in totality. So we are not just limiting it to house and home, but also trying to expand to various institutions as possible.
Hi, I'm Advocate Asha Desai. I'm practicing in the Bombay High Court in Goa. I've been using DNA for the last 3 months, or rather more than 3 months, because I was one of the first customers. The service is really awesome. They have optical fiber technology, which is the latest technology, and that is why I have shifted to this connection. And the installation is absolutely free. I find that it's fast and really reliable. The service about this, there are SMS updates about the server, whether it's down, whether some work is going on, or whether it's upgraded or whatever. So I find that I'm updated about everything. Oh, I have it in my office, at home, and I've recommended it to all my friends. Yeah, the speed is very fast. Of course, I'm not so much of a gamer, but yes, my children are gamers and they play a lot of games on the DNA network, as well as good downloads on movies, watching movies or on YouTube, and the download is very fast. Here we are only using email and WhatsApp, of course, but at home we are playing even games on Xbox with the connection of DNA.
Yeah, hi, I'm Krishna Gopal and I'm using DNA home fiber internet connection. In fact, the network connectivity is very good and obviously usage is also very high at home. Quality of speed and quality of connectivity is very good, with very few data losses and all that. In fact, this is the first time in Goa we were actually looking for such kind of speeds at such kind of prices and availability. Installation was free. In fact, actually they have gone out of the way to provide me connection. Because when I had seen their advertisement, I had asked them if they can provide it for me in Goa University. And if you know, Goa University is really out of the blue. So they went a long way in order to actually lay the cable in order to give me the connection. So I think in that sense, they had to go to a lot of trouble to actually give a connection to my place. Their installation was free, they did not charge me anything. I'm on a 100 Mbps line and I get that kind of speed. So in fact, that's excellent actually. DNA Goa, awesome.
पुंजकार awesome, 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 मर्दोंकार awesome,
तर हांव सगळ्यांकडे मागता की तुम्ही दुसरे कंपनीचे इंटरनेट यूज करून पळयल्यात. तुम्ही हो एकदा DNA गोवा हाजो इंटरनेटाचो फायदो घेवन यूज करून पळोवप. एक म्हयनो तुमी यूज करून पळया, तुमकां ती स्पीड मेळटा, जे तुमकां डावनलोड जाता ते सारके जाता, तुमी पळया आनी मागीर तुमी डिसिजन घेया. हातून तुमी लूज करता तशें कांयच ना. यू आर नॉट पेईंग एनीथिंग फॉर द फायबर ऑर वॉट एवर यू आर पेईंग. इंटरनेट is like a lifeline of today's. Every person should at home should have internet and should benefit from the services.